Good morning. I'm Patrick Weightman, your local TMG Direct Mortgage and Protection Advisor. Now, I don't normally put out videos about rates midweek, but today's a bit different. It's the 28th of October, and today we've got 4 high street banks cutting rates. We've got some cooling in the house price data and a few clues from the money markets as to what's going to happen next. So let's start with those rates. HSBC, Barclays, NatWest and Santander have all trimmed rates on their fixed rate products, with up to 0.36 percentage points being trimmed away from certain 2 and 5 year deals. Average 2-year fixers are now sitting at around 4.97% and the average 5-year at about 5.02. These rate cuts might be pretty modest, but after months of stability, any movement is starting to turn heads. Behind the curtains, the wholesale funding costs of mortgages. Those SONIA-based funding rates have stayed pretty steady. The Bank of England base rate is still at 4%, but lenders need to get new business into their pipeline before year end. So they're competing harder for quality borrowers. It's less generosity, more strategy. The Office for National Statistics is showing that house price growth has slowed once again, with single-digit gains nationally, with some regions running pretty flat. Certainly here in Leicestershire, Warwickshire, Northamptonshire, we're seeing a plateau rather than a plunge. It's good news for buyers, and it's certainly a signal to sellers to start pricing more sensibly. So what do we need to be looking out for? Well, we're still waiting on the Halifax House Price Index data and the Bank of England's next Monetary Policy Commission meeting. And then, of course, there's the SONIA forward curve. But if inflation stays tame, we could see further easing. Obviously, nothing like 2021 levels. Expect stability and minor tweaks. So if your fixed rate mortgage deal is ending in the next 6 months, it's time to start looking at your options. You can get in early and secure a rate and then review it later if things change. And if you're buying, talk to a broker. All these headline rates are great, but they don't necessarily meet your circumstances or your profile. I'm Patrick Weightman, your local TMG Direct Mortgage broker, helping you to navigate the mortgage maze. Speak to you soon.